There's again. I'm running a couple of tests using baby oil, which is a mineral oil stuff. It spills on your board, it ain't going to do no damage because it's non-conductive. So I've set up a simple system here. Just one of the pumps. I've put a danger den reservoir above the unit as a flow gauge here as well. I don't know if you can see the flow gauge moving if I zoom up on it. Hang on a minute, just see the flow gauge moving. It's moving fast because the voltage is pretty high now. I've got a 15 amp 12 volt transformer, and it gives it a good boost, like, you know. So I've noticed that the bubbles have started to reduce in the oil itself as the machine is settling, like. But I did also notice, although I haven't got any temperature measuring equipment on it at the moment, when I put my face against the fittings, you could feel the warmth being generated by the actual pump. But the pump seems to be coping no problem. It started off quite noisy because there must have been a lot of air bubbles in the oil as it had been, the machine had been filled. But I've noticed that as time is going by, the oil settles more and the fill level drops slightly as the air from the in the liquid is reduced. But so far I'm happy with the speed that the oil is moving through the fittings. I got a feeling that well, I'll test it with some rads to see what's happening, but on the left there, you zoom off here, you'll see that I've got a on the left as I've connected up an amp meter through the in series with the motor. So I'm just observing as the oil gets warmer. I'll be putting an infrared detector on the unit tomorrow, but as it's getting warmer, the ampage should possibly reduce as there's a little bit of less work for the pump to do, you know. But I'm going to be doing a few tests before I put it into the big rig, because like you say, there seems to be a lot of controversy about using mineral oils, but I don't see that it's an obstacle. I think I'm going to get around it. I'm going to have this machine running on a mineral oil, no problem. We'll see. And I'll just quickly show you the rig I'm working on now. One of the rigs. I've got one of the Asus boards. It's the Rampage 3, and I tell you what, it's got some good gear. There's some really good stuff. It's got voltage pickup points here, and there's actual sockets, right? So you'll be able to. And also I noticed as well, you can connect another computer through the USB, and you can observe hardware and tweak as well remotely from another machine. It's got the two 8-pin sockets. It's got the Bluetooth tweaking ability, because this is the Republic of Gamers model, so hopefully this one will be a good machine. But this is going to be the case for the SR2 at the moment. Where's that one? Oh, yeah. The SR2. I'm just let's have a look if we can see what's happening here. Yeah, that's the SR2 there. Just a couple of EVGA cards on it. And that's going to be going in. It's going to be going in soon. That's a beauty. Anyway, catch you again.